Hi, I'm Eugene with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, we are going to learn how to use the text lookup feature inside Darkroom Core and Pro. So what this is typically used for is you would have a CSV file, what we think of as a spreadsheet, and with a roster of kids in, let's say, a class, school, or a league, a sports league. So I have an example right here on my desktop. It's a CSV file. It has to be saved as a CSV file, not as an Excel file, but it would open in Excel. And what this has is the first name, last name, the team, and the organization they play with. And I've based that on the information from the Smart Memory Mate. Now you can build your own templates and have different fields for if you wanted to have, their position in a band, the instrument they play, or let's say their teacher's name, depending on the type of organization that you are photographing. So we have first, last, team, and organization. If we go to the setup tab and click on templates, borders, sample borders, and then sports, there should be the baseball memory mate, and that's where I got that information from. So you can actually load that from a CSV file, not have to type in if you already have it pre-typed in a spreadsheet. Let's see how this would work. So we're going to go ahead and click cancel, switch over to our photo workshop, and it's very important that you close your spreadsheet while you're using Darkroom. Darkroom won't allow it to load if it's still open, so you have to close it. And I'm going to click B for borders and go to my sports memory mate, and I'm going to click lookup. Click file and then browse to the CSV file on my desktop, and now I can say, okay, this person I know is Tammy Smith. Click OK, and then click OK, and it'll automatically fill out. And when I go to the next person, oops, I'm going to click T for text, and I'll pull up my lookup field again. And then this is where it's really helpful to have the player number within the text field, because now you can just base it off the number, scroll down until you get to Zoe Timmons, and there you go. That's how you use the lookup feature in Darkroom Core and Darkroom Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Hi, it's me again. If this video has been helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos just like this one. And if we've earned it, please consider subscribing. This lets us know people are out there watching our videos, and it's making their job and their life just a little bit easier. Please consider subscribing right over here.